of us, when we watch travel vlogs in YouTube and wish we can document our entire trip when we have an opportunity to travel. But what I have realized is when you're just starting out making video like myself, it is really difficult, but still there are ways to make the most out of your trip. And these are the things that I have realized for past 3 weeks while I was traveling. Coming up. Oh my god, it is so hot. Hi, my name is Woojin and welcome back to yet another Jinius day, all about sharing what I learn as I make my video. And let me take a sip. So first of all, I do have to say sorry because I missed my last week's upload, which is every Thursday, and not missing a week was one of my goals, and not having to meet my goal kind of hurts my feeling a little bit. But in my defense, for the past 3 weeks and also I've been traveling around Thailand with my friends, and I thought I could keep up with making video as well as traveling or enjoying my time with my friends as well. But I kind of failed to balance the time with friends and the video. But I didn't stop making videos. I made few of different shorter videos every now and then. So meanwhile, when I was trying to make video as well as enjoying my travel, I learned few different things. And these are a few tips that I've realized this week. The weather here is impossible. Look at how much I'm sweating just for taking that one B-roll sequence. But at least all my friends are patient enough to wait for me.
No, I'm not.
Bye. The first tip I want to share today is to decide early whether you want to shoot something or not. When you're traveling as a group with other friends, you have to sort of keep up with their own pace as well, and depending on how your schedule is that day, you may have time to film yourself or not. So decide early whether you want to shoot something or not, because for me, taking video at a one scene takes at least like 30 to 40 minutes. And by you deciding early whether you want to film something or not, kind of puts you in the mindset that if you decide to take video, you can fully commit to making video in that scene. And if you decide to not take video, it's fine, then you just get to enjoy yourself fully in that moment. So decide whether you want to film or not, but just don't get stuck between like you're not either filming but you're not really enjoying yourself either. Just like commit one act per, I don't know, let's like no multitasking. I guess that's my point. And the second tip that I want to share today is to simplify your, okay, let the motorbike pass. Take that again, because motorbike. Second tip that I want to share with you today is to simplify your gear. And when you're traveling, things just happen. So you don't want to take a lot of time setting up your gear. So for the whole travel, I've been using one lens only, and having a camera bag like this one has like a compartment for a camera, and it has helped me take out my camera faster and set up my gear faster anywhere, anytime I wish. So the second tip, yep, simplify your gear, get them ready to fire at your will, so because you don't want to miss any moment. Point number 3 that I want to share with you is, it's called 4 seconds rule. The idea is to shoot one frame and keep that one frame for 4 seconds, at least 4 seconds. Then you change up your frame, look for some other frame. It sounds a little bit weird when I explain it. That's why let me just go ahead and show you the example. I'm gonna try to make one clip, but I'm gonna maintain one frame for 4 seconds, and then move on to another frame for 4 seconds, and move on to another frame for 4 seconds. But when you cut that one clip and cut it, 3 different cuts, 3 different framings, 3 different angles. Here. So yeah, just like that, you only need to shoot once, but by doing 4 second rules, you have like 3 different clips, and when it comes to editing, you can edit one clip to different, like in this case, 3 different cuts, and it's easier for you to edit when it comes to editing. So that's the point number 3, is to apply 4 second rules. Fourth point I have to share today is when you're traveling, or when I was traveling at least, I didn't have much time to edit, and for me it takes longer to edit, let's say like 3 to 10 minutes video. and I simply couldn't do it in a corner of my hotel room. But what I did was pick a time duration that I was most comfortable with. Anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 minute I can make a video, and I can edit that in like less than an hour. So that way you still get to practice your skill and also enjoy the most of your trip. So these are the few videos that I made. I'm gonna show you right now. Here it is. These are the things that I've realized this week when I was traveling, and that is it for today. And don't forget to hit like if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm excited to talk to you about the topics I have yet to talk to you about. Until next time, bye. That's where I spent my last night. It's like my own cave. And the coolest part is light.